This is the wire that I used, the diameter, the copper wires, 0.25 is for the thick wires, and 0.12 millimeter is very thin, very thin. It's for the connections between each pair. 1, 2 is a pair, up pair and down pair, something like that, and it's like a C or U link between this and this, and then another one from this to this, and I used a very thin wire, very challenging to prepare it actually, and then to solder it, because the solder iron is pretty thick. The tip of the solder is pretty big, and it was a challenge. It was a fight, very big fight, but I like it. It's what I can do with what I have, and this is what I have, and this is what I can do with what I have, and it's hard as fuck, hard, very hard to do it, but it's done. Unfortunately, let's see it. It's 5 volts. My I cannot I cannot connect it other than this at the moment, and this, and this is the sensing wire. This is the sensing wire, and it's doing. Actually, there is another LED that is lighting up. It's this was the initial test before this, and then I get excited, well, impatient, or whatever word is proper, and I said, I will make it bigger. I asked my father, how many LEDs do you think there are here? And he promptly said, 20 LEDs, but there are 50, so 50, because there are one, this is the first pin, and the rest of the 9 are here, but here are 8, and here are 7, and 18 plus 16 plus 14 is 48, plus 1, 49, so it's 50. And yeah, that was interesting. When people are seeing it, they're thinking, it's very simple, very common, very normal. And I worked for it like 1.5 months, so 6 weeks. 6 weeks of frustrations, testings, and holy crap. But it's done. It's almost done. Well, at least this part is done. I have the sensing part circuit to make, and it will be done then. And then after that, to link it to the mains 220 voltage for the switch for the light in the room, and that is another fun. Shit. Yeah, that's this is it. My camera is distorting the lights. In reality, is looking a bit more a bit nicer than on the camera. I'm not sure. It's creating a glare around the light of the LED. You see? Here. A stupid glare. Very stupid glare. And I don't like it on the camera. But in reality it's very good. It's nice. It's very nice. Another thing is that it's an interesting effect. Here you can see it's very bright and then it's dimming. This is the first the mauve, what is called violet, the violet first LED, and then are the blue, and the last pin, or the 10 pin, it's the red, which are the last one. And its original effect of the integrated circuit, 3914, I think is yes, LM 3914, and I think it is that one, and it's the original effect from this integrated circuit, because it's providing a large current in the beginning when it's activating the LED, and then is dimming, and it's valuable for every row of LEDs. So the first contact is brighter and then is dimming them, which is very interesting effect. Alright, yeah, no, I'm not sure. So as closer as I get to the sensing wire with my hand, it's becoming more dim. The rest that are open, and the first that are open are brighter, a very tiny bit, but it's interesting. It's interesting effect. It's nice. That worth noting, the mentioning. All right, that's it. That's it. Goodbye and thank you for watching my phenomenal video, my super video. Goodbye.